Hi there, how's it going? I am so thrilled to make another interesting lesson for you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the button subscribe, learn, and share. In this lesson, I'm going to talk about vowel A. And vowel A can be long and short. The long version is A as its alphabet name, and the short version is A, like cat or cap or nap. Okay, and in this lesson, I'm going to talk about long A. How do we know that? Is it long A or short A? And there are some rules that we have to follow. Not in all cases, but in most cases, if there are two vowels, we pronounce the first vowel and the second vowel is going to be silent. And the first vowel is going to sound like its alphabet name. And this one is A. A. So, lady, lady, table, table. So we pronounce the first one as its alphabet name, T, but the next vowel is silent, table, table. This one, paper, paper, paper. This one, data, data, data. This one, crazy, crazy, crazy. So, in other words, if the word finishes to the vowel, we pronounce the first one as its alphabet name. So, in this case, as you can see, there are two vowels and all words finish to vowel E. One of my previous lessons, I mentioned that this is silent, which means we don't pronounce E at the end of the word. And we pronounce this one as its alphabet name. Not like short version, A, but A. Not lack but lake, lake. This one, wake, wake, wake up in the morning. This one, case, case, in case, just in case. This one, base, base, base form, base. And the last one is space, space, space. Okay, and if you notice, we didn't pronounce the last E. And the first vowel is pronounced as its alphabet name, A. And the first letter is long A. Okay, now let's take a look at the third row. We can see the vowels A and I. So in this case, the same. There are two vowels and we pronounce the first one and the second vowel is silent. Let's read it together. Brain, brain, brain. Aim, aim, aim. This one, train, train, train. This one, wait, wait, wait a little bit, wait a little bit. I'm waiting for you. How long have you been waiting for me? Wait. And this one, afraid, afraid. What are you afraid of? I'm afraid of spiders. Afraid of or scared of. Okay. Now, in this case, we pronounce the first letter A and the second vowel is silent. And let's take a look at the fourth row. we can see vowels A and Y. The same, we pronounce the first vowel A as its alphabet name, and the second vowel is silent here. Let's try to read it together. Day, day. Away, away, far away, go away, run away. This one, may, may, may. I may call you. You may visit them. You may visit your grandparents. May. This one is today, today, today. It's Thursday today. It's Thursday today. It's raining today. It's raining today. It's been raining today. It's been raining today. And this one is stay. Stay. Stay with me. Stay with us. Stay for now. Okay, let's review all the words one more time. Lady, table, paper, data, crazy. Crazy. Are you crazy? Okay, this one. Lake, wake, case, base, space. And this one, brain, brain, aim, train, wait, afraid. And the last row, day, away, may, today, stay. Okay, that's it. I hope the lesson was helpful for you. See you next time. Bye-bye.